Hello beauties, welcome back to the channel. Exactly 1 week ago, I made this video using baking soda to cleanse my hair and scalp. So I didn't tell you guys much about baking soda, but I'm going to be telling you before you go ahead to use baking soda on your hair, these are the problems that baking soda might cause. Okay, so I'm going to give you 10 problems with their solutions. Here it is. Number one, dryness. Baking soda is highly alkaline and can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and brittleness. So, in order to prevent this dryness, you have to use a moisture-rich product or natural oils like coconut oil or argan oil to keep your hair hydrated. Number two, scalp irritation. The high pH of baking soda can irritate your scalp, causing redness, itching, and discomfort. So you can prevent this by diluting your baking soda with water to reduce its alkalinity. Number three, hair damage. Baking soda can weaken the hair shaft, making it more prone to breakage and damage. You can prevent this by limiting the use of baking soda treatment. Number four, baking soda can alter the pH balance of your hair, which can then lead to issues like frizz and a rough texture. To prevent this, choose hair care products that are pH balanced to help maintain the natural pH of your hair. Number five, if you have your hair dyed, baking soda can strip away your hair color. To prevent this, use color protective shampoos and conditioners to help prolong the vibrancy of your hair color. Number six, regular use of baking soda can lead to your scalp producing more oil as it tries to compensate for the dryness. You can simply prevent this by using natural oil, which will protect your hair and your scalp and also restore moisture. Number seven, thinning of the hair. Over time, the weakening effect of baking soda can result in a thinner hair. So to prevent this, stop using baking soda. Number eight, baking soda can roughen the hair cuticles, making it more prone to tangling and knots. Number nine, baking soda can weaken your hair, which then leads to breakage and hair loss. And finally, number 10, long-term damage. Consistent use of baking soda can cause irreversible damage to your hair and your scalp. So in order to prevent this, you have to look for alternative natural hair treatments such as aloe vera gel, honey, or yogurt max, which can provide benefits without the risks associated with baking soda. So I want to know, after hearing all these points, are you still going to go ahead to use baking soda on your hair, your scalp? Please comment in this comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this. Okay, these are a lot of damage that baking soda can cause to your hair. To be on the safer side, do not use it on your hair or your scalp. There are people that might have softer hair which cannot take in the effect of baking soda. So my hair is strong enough to take in, but I'm never trying this again. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to get notified. And like, comment, and share. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.